Let's recover your hacked Facebook account on PC. But if you are a mobile user, you can find the video link in the description. To start, open your browser, then type and search accessing and downloading your Facebook information. Then select the first result. Now click Account Access Troubleshooting. Then select My account has been hacked. After click Secure it by going to the Help Center. Then you will get this. Now select the first one. I think my Facebook account was hacked or someone is using without my permission. After click Get Started. Here you have to answer these questions. For the first one, select Someone else gain access to my account. For the second one, no, I can't log in. For the third one, select No, I don't have access to my phone number or email address on the account. Then you will get this link. Like you see in the video, after selecting these answers, you will get this link. Now open that link. Here it asks you to enter your email address or phone number. But you don't need to enter your email or phone number. Just enter your name as you remember. Like you see in the video, there is no any email. After entering your name, click search. Then Facebook will suggest number of account. Most probably the first one is yours. But unfortunately, your account is not here. Scroll down and click I'm not in this list. Then Facebook asks you to enter your friend's name or your birth month. Here it asks me enter my friend's name. I will enter one of my friend's name. Then click search. Then Facebook will identify the exact account. Here we don't have access to this. Select no longer have access to this. Here click I cannot access my email account. Now this is the window we need. Then Facebook asks you to enter new email address which can contact you. Enter your new email address twice. Click continue. Here you have to enter your full name. And also you have to upload a copy of your ID. It can be your passport, driving license, or your national ID or any official document. Then you have to send it. To upload, click Upload ID button. Then you can see all type of ID that you can upload. You have a bunch of options, but I will select driving license. Then click Next. Again, click Next. Then hold your ID within the frames. Then it will capture photo of your ID automatically. Then send it. After submitting copy of your ID, Facebook will review it within 24 hours. After reviewing, you will get an email from Facebook. So, go to your email address. Then if you check your recent email, you can see there is an email from Facebook. If you open that, you can find a recovery link or change password button. Then open that recovery link or click change password. Then it asks you to create a new password. After creating a strong password, click continue. Then you will be redirected to your Facebook account. Now we have successfully logged back into a Facebook account. Like I said earlier, if you are a mobile user, you can find the video link in the description, as well as if there are any update, I will put that in the description. That's it. Thanks for watching. Later.